Sagapi, Liberty Home Mortgage, and today's topic is, what is the fastest way to raise your credit score? So if you're watching this and you want advice, how can I raise my score? Because a lot of people need to raise their score. Their score is too low, or they're marginal. They're somewhere in the middle, and it's a combination of things. And sometimes raising your score is always a good thing. It's just that simple. The question becomes, what's the fastest you can raise your score? Number one, write this down. Remove negative items. If you can get negative items taken off of your credit, your credit score will go up lightning. It'll go up that day. Like that day it gets removed, it goes up that day. So Credit Karma, Lord knows, is going to ping your phone 100 times that your credit score just went up. I mean, I think Credit Karma pings your phone when you breathe oxygen. Okay, you went up 17 points because you just took 2 breaths of air. Remove negative items. That is the number one, far and away, guaranteed way, guaranteed to raise your credit score immediately. Now, when you're watching this thing saying, well, is that easy to do? No. Okay, no. Removing negative items actually is almost impossible to do. It's very difficult, but doable. It's doable, okay? A lot of times it is the medical collections that you'll find that you can get removed. As far as erroneous information, wrong information, in my whole career of doing this 24 years up to now, it's very, very, very few times have I actually seen negative items on somebody's credit that is actually wrong, okay? So, bottom line, it's hard to do. It's not that easy. Google it, research it, watch more videos. And by the way, watch my videos. That's why you subscribe to my page. You like, comment, share. I have videos on the steps to repairing and fixing your credit. And I'm not a credit repair specialist. I certainly don't charge any money for anything that I advise anybody to do. But I will tell you, removing negative items, number one. I had a person back in September of 2012. We removed 11 negative items from their credit, and they had some credit card balances and stuff like that. Their credit score in 7 days went from 529 to 660. How? We were able to get 11 negative items, which were collections, removed from the credit. That's number one. Number two, pay off your credit cards. Now, people say to me, Hush, what about shouldn't I carry balances or something like that, okay? No, okay? That's bad. The reason you got financial issues is because you have too much debt, okay? It's not your income that overwhelms you, okay? It's your debt that overwhelms you. You've got to manage your debt. You've got to keep an eye on your debt. Do not let your debt run wild, okay? Pay off your credit cards. I know there's 1,000 experts, probably 1,000 times smarter than me. I don't think they've done this as long as me or as committed or gone as deep as me. I'll just tell you this one. Get rid of all your damn debt, okay? Get rid of it. Pay it off, pay it off, pay it off. Then you take that money and you use that to address other issues, okay? So the number two way to raise your score somewhat quickly is to pay off your credit cards. Last but not least, as I wind the video down, see, I don't keep these too long, you have to pay your bills on time. Here's the problem with number three, okay? The problem with number three is that it takes time. Making one payment on time doesn't raise you 50 points, even though websites like Credit Karma and others like that will lead you to believe that. When I say it takes time, I'm talking 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 years, okay? If your credit's beat up, it could easily take 2 to 5 years to rehabilitate it. That's why you get in front of it now, you manage it now, you watch videos like this, you pay attention to what I'm saying, and you take notes on all of this stuff. These are the fastest ways to raise your credit score. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and contact me. Put your questions below, and I'll be catching you on my next video.